वंदे मातरम क्लास 10th आज आम विलेज जज नंदी टेबल पढ़ा जोटा कि प्रेमचंद लिखिं द विलेज जज। डू यू समटाइम्स फाइट विथ योर ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स? व्हाट डू यू गो टू सेटल योर quarrel? If there is quarreling, you go to settle your quarrel, choose a judge or a judgment. Second question question, why do people go to the judge for a judgment? Do you know about the village पंच? गाँ गुड़िक जोटा कि पंच माने जजमेंट दिखते देख ये कहुचे साधारणतः आम जब देखा मनुष्य गोटे भगवान को मैन इज द गॉड्स क्रिएशन गिफ्टेड क्रिएचर ऑफ अर्थ। ही इज एंडोड विथ डिफरेंट वंडरफुल एंड पिकुलियर क्वालिटीज। ही इज ए rational animal who is guided by his own conscience। मनुष्यर विवेक अच्छे से विवेक द्वारा ही परिचालित होता है। विवेक कौन? द इनर पार्ट ऑफ आवर बॉडी, द इनर सेंस ऑफ आवर बॉडी दैट सेज व्हाट राइट इज, व्हाट जस्ट इज, व्हाट अनजस्ट इज। conscience plays an important role delivering the stating the judgment, pronouncing the judgment. While pronouncing a judgment, one sees no difference between the friends and the enemies. While judging, there should not be any difference between the friends and the enemies. It is often said that voice of the judge is the voice of the gods. जो जजमेंट आम दबा जजमेंट दबा समय आमर फ्रेंड्स आमर एनिमीज ए प्रकार अटैचमेंट आम रखा ना से कहुई इट इज ओपन सेड दैट द वॉइस ऑफ द गॉड इज द वॉइस ऑफ द जज इज द वॉइस ऑफ द गॉड। सो गॉडली फीलिंग्स इज इवोक्ड, इकोड, डेलीवर्ड फ्रॉम द हार्ट्स ऑफ ए जज। Pronouncement of a right and just judgment is heaven. Wrong or unjust judgment जो हम deliver करिबा as a judge, it is a hell. So this story narrates two characters. One is Juman Sheikh, second one is Algu Chaudhary. जो मैंने ए प्रकार सिचुएशन को came to face such a situation in which Panchayat has set up and delivered the judgment. Let us see stanza 1, paragraph 1. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were great friends. Two characters are here. One is Juman Sheikh, second one is Algu Chaudhary. They are intimate friends, great friends. अंतरंग बंधु थिले। Each trusted the other completely. Both have a deep trust. गभीर विश्वास थिले दुई जन जाक मध्य काका मध्य between Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary what lies? Deep trust lies. Deep trust was seen between Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. Juman Sheikh had an old aunt. Juman Sheikh had an old aunt. She had a small piece of property. Juman Sheikh had an old aunt. The old aunt had, she means the old aunt. The old aunt had a small piece of property. Juman had persuaded her to transfer the property to his name. Persuaded means convince करेगा, motivate करेगा. Juman's persuasion on transferring the property. Who had persuaded? Juman had persuaded. To whom? To his old aunt. What was the purpose? To transfer the all property in Jumon's name. So long as it was not done, je porjanto so long as, it means so long as the property not transferred, the aunt had been treated with great kindness and respect. Okay, so long was the property not transferred, the aunt had been treated with great kindness and respects. But when the property was transferred to Jumon, there was no kindness. All kindness vanished. Vanish means disappeared. Vanish means disappeared. Okay, जे पर्यंत प्रॉपर्टी धन संपत्ति गुड़िक ट्रांसफर जुमन ना ट्रांसफर हो नाला से पर्यंत ताको बहुत जत्न सहित केयर एंड काइंडनेस रेस्पेक्ट सहित देखुले. And when it was all kindness vanished, disappeared, after the property was transferred to Jumon's name. Jumon and his wife Kariman, Jumon's wife was Kariman, became harsh and rude. How was the behavior after transferring the property? After the property was being transferred, their behavior was harsh, rude, impolite. Harsh means cruel. Harsh means cruel. Rude means impolite. For some time, the aunt bore all this. किछ समय धरी से बहुत जिनस बियर सेकेंड सहिला से. But when she could bear it no more, when the harsh and rude behavior could not be borne, or when the old aunt could not bear the harsh and rude, impolite behavior of Juman and Kariman, she complained. The old aunt complained to Juman, "Soon I can't go like this anymore." ए प्रकार व्यवस्था रे मो प्रोविजन रे मु रही परिबे नाही. ए प्रकार हार्श एंड रूड मैनर जो ट्रीटमेंट करा जाउतला. "Soon I can't go on like this anymore. You should give me some money. You should give me some money. मत किछ टंका दे दियो. I shall cook and eat separately. मो अलग रे रोषे करी खाइबे और रहबे." Who said? The old aunt said, Juman should give her some money and he should cook it separately. Juman replied rudely, "Money does not grow on trees here." टंका कौन गछरे पड़ुछि ना कौन मु देइदिबि तते. Who said? Very rudely, in a rude manner he said, "Money does not grow on trees here." The aunt grew angry. She threatened to call the panchayat. She threatened to call a panchayat. Panchayat rakhiba pai she ready hebe. Who? The old aunt. Juman said, "Certainly, have the panchayat by all means." Have the panchayat. किछ असुविधा नहीं. There is no problem if you call the panchayat. और सब दृष्टिकोण इन बाय ऑल मीन्स इट इज जस्ट टू कॉल द पंचायत. आई ऑल्सो वुड लाइक ए डिसीजन. आई हैड देयर डेली क्वारल्स माई सेल्फ. सबुदिन ये झगड़ा लगे मत पसंद नहीं. हु सेड? Juman said to the old aunt. How tricky Juman was. Actually, all the property was the old aunt's property, and by persuasion Juman got the property. He has the duty to तार कर्तव्य थिला जे ओल्ड आंट को सेवा करे, टू सर्व द ओल्ड आंट. He has the duty to serve the old aunt, but after the property transferred, every harsh and rude behavior, daily quarrels was seen between Algu Chaudhary and the old aunt. Who was just here? Who was unjust? The old aunt was just right, and Juman Sheikh was unjust. For several days after, the old man ran from village to village. For several days, किछि दिन धरि, for several days after this discussion, after this means calling the panchayat by all means, जो कहला decision जे थिला तांको जो पचारि थिले पंचायत डाकिबा ना नहीं, जो threatening, after this means threatening to call the panchayat. For several days after this, the old woman ran from village to village with a stick in her hand, हाथ बाड़ी उठे धरिकी, to support her. To support her means बाड़ी उठे जो support करुला ताको with a stick in her hand. She walked door to door, village to village, to select, to choose the judge. Most of the people did not hear the story of the poor man. Most of the people did not hear. Whose story? The old aunt's story. With care and attention. तांको कथा प्रति गुरुत्व देले. No importance was found when she was telling the story. And did not offer her any comfort. किए भी ताको साहाଯ୍य करिया पई, comfort सांत्वना देबा पई nobody has come. Nobody has offered her any comfort. After making her rounds, she came at last to Algu Chaudhary. Last to she कोठी आसिल सब बुली बुली, last को finally he arrived. She reached at last. Finally she reached at Algu Chaudhary. She threw her stick गुड़ी को से फिंगी देले, she threw her stick जोटा कि सपोर्ट करूला ताको stick फिंगी देले, and waited for a while to regain her breath. किछ समय रेस्ट नेले, चली चली हालिया हो जाइथिबे, रेस्ट नेले, she regained her breath and said, son, you also should come to my panchayat for a short while. किछ समय हम पंचायत आपण तमे आसीबो. You should come. Algu Chaudhary should come to the old aunt's panchayat for a short while to make the decision, to make the judgment. Algu said, I can come along if you like. I can definitely come if you like, but I shall not open my mouth there. मो पार्टी ही खोलिबे नहीं, किछि कहबिन सेठाले. And पचार, why son? Juman is an old friend of mine. Juman is an old friend of mine. से गोटे मोर पुराना सांग, से मत किसी कहीपरि ना. I can't say to him anything else. I cannot quarrel with him. Who? Algu. Algu said he cannot quarrel with Juman. And goes, son, will you hesitate to say the honest thing? Because you fear a quarrel? Because you fear a quarrel, as you fear a quarrel, will you hesitate to say honest thing? Say the honest thing. सत्य कथा कहबा को hesitate means द्विधा, whether to say or not to say. कहबे ना कहबे कहीं ना reason. Algu Chaudhary by reason कौन? Juman was an old friend of his and he could not want to quarrel with him, so he was hesitating to tell the honest thing. Algu had no reply to give his question of the old woman. Algu रो उत्तर ही आसिलानी. को क्वेश्चन पाई जेतल से पचाले, will you hesitate to say the honest thing? But her words continued to echo in his heart. गोटे वर्ड खाली हृदय सारा प्रकम्पित है. गोटे फ्रेजटा जो कहले, विल यू हेजिटेट टू से द ऑनेस्ट थिंग बिकॉज यू फियर ए क्वारल. नेक्स्ट सीन आम आसंता काली पढ़ा तेणु ये बुझिले कौन जुमन एंड अलगो वेर टू फ्रेंड्स. अलगो Juman had an old aunt. He had the property. His property had been transferred after a long persuasion, and Juman's old aunt was neglected to serve. At the time, daily quarrels was found. To stop the daily quarrels, panchayat was to be arranged there, and to call the panchayat, Algu Chaudhary was taken as a judge. Next paragraph scene आसंता काली पढ़ा. Thank you.